40 days ago, this channel has almost nothing. No monetization, no sponsorship, no audience. And today it has over 3000 subscribers and more than 9000 watch time hours and is officially monetized. Now before you say that's probably luck, but I cracked a loophole and let me show you exactly what happened. In this video, I will show you the exact earning, actual analytics and no gatekeeping and the biggest strategy that YouTubers are not talking about. And also how I got few sponsorship on this channel and the exact how much I have money made so far. Everything you will see in this video is backed by real analytics. So let's go back to day one. At this time, I was trying different niches on YouTube like AI segment and AI voice videos, but it required a lot of effort and money to keep running and it was not working for me. So few days earlier I created a channel and found a niche that required very less editing and very fast to make. I found out my country education niche goes very viral, so I decided why don't I review the online courses of this edtech company, their books, also share my journey, how I study from their batches. So I started to daily document my journey. So I started uploading videos about my preparation and also review online batches as it helps to student. No editor, no fancy setup, just my daily study sessions and progress. At first, nothing happened crazy. The views were small, some videos barely get noticed. And honestly, it was the moment when I questioned whether this channel will ever grow or not. But I kept uploading videos every day. And that uploading video every day became the biggest reason this channel is now got monetized. Most people focus on finding the perfect niche. Other focuses on buying expensive equipment. But what actually worked for me was showing up every day and documenting my journey. Then something interesting happened. One particular video started performing much better than everything else on my channel. It was a batch review video of an online edtech company. I uploaded it thinking it would get few thousand views. Instead, it became most viewed video on my channel and eventually crossed 17,000 views in just few days. That video brought me a new subscriber. It increased my watch time and also important thing, it showed YouTube exactly who my audience was. From this point, growth became much faster. As I continue uploading study vlogs regularly, the channel started building momentum. The subscriber count kept increasing, the watch time hours kept growing, and eventually, after 40 days of consistent upload, I crossed the requirement for monetization. When I looked at the analysis dashboard, I couldn't believe it. Over 3000 subscribers and more than 9000 watch time hours. A channel that started as simple study journey was now eligible for YouTube partner program, but I cannot apply for monetization since I don't have access to advanced feature and I had to wait few more couple of days to get the advanced feature. So I submitted my monetization application after getting the advanced feature and then come to waiting period. If you have applied for monetization, you know how stressful the wait can be. Every few hours I checked YouTube Studio, waiting for an update, waiting for an approval, and finally after 15 hours I got a mail the channel was approved, officially monetized. And weeks of uploading and improving, the hard work has finally paid off. But here is something most people don't realize. Monetization was not actually the most exciting part. The most exciting part was that what happened next. Before the channel was even making meaningful AdSense revenue, I received my first sponsorship inquiry, only at 600 subscribers, by the edtech company whose batch I reviewed. A company reached out and wanted to work with me. But after few conversations, the deal was finalized. The first sponsorship paid me around $25. Getting sponsored at 600 subscribers were unbelievable for me. Soon after that, another sponsor opportunities come in. They paid me around $35. In total, I earned $60 from sponsorship before YouTube earning. This taught me a very important lesson. On YouTube, subscriber count doesn't matter. Even a relatively small channel can attract sponsorship if it reaches the right audience. Now let's talk about my earning. Since the channel only monetized recently, the AdSense earning is still very small. So far, I have earned around $1 from YouTube ads only in just few hours, which is earned a huge amount. But that is not the point. The point is the how system work now. The channel is monetized, the audience is growing, and every new video has the potential to generate more views, more watch time, and more revenue. Looking back, the biggest lesson from this journey is simple. You do not need more expensive equipment. You do not need a team. You do not need a secret YouTube hacks. What you need is consistency. The strategy that worked for me was surprisingly simple. Upload regularly, improve with every video, pay attention to what your audience enjoy, and keep going even when the views are low. That's exactly what happened. We grow from zero to monetized channel in just 40 days. And if you are currently trying to grow your own channel, hopefully my journey proves that it is possible. Before 40 days ago, I was just another student uploading study video. Today I have a monetized channel, sponsorship, and an audience that continue to grow every single day.